Broadcast Jamaican now give the news in the Jamaican language.
Wagwan people, this is Kadeen Marshall and me go give the news rundown in a Jamaican. First, me give the headline them. Prime Minister Andrew Holness saying begs about a little bit of people who take the COVID-19 vaccine. Him say right now, only 13% of the population fully vaccinated. Can you hear what the director for the Island Traffic Authority, ITA, I want the people them who drive for stop put license plate on them car when they go out in Jamaica. Linvern Wright, or the president for the Jamaica Association of Principals for the secondary school them, so all of the public school them must come back next month with the picnic them are coming on a certain day. Make sure you follow our YouTube page Broadcast Jamaican for hear more news and like the video after you done listen. Now for the full tour of them. Prime Minister Andrew Holness saying begs about a little bit of people who take the COVID-19 vaccine. Him say right now, only 13% of the population fully vaccinated. Him say him did expect people to not sure about the vaccine when it just come, but by now that's supposed to change. Mr. Holness said enough people in the country want the coronavirus to go away, so them not to take the vaccine. But the only way the virus are done, if it kill off enough people in the country, then it a one threat again. Him say that's the only way the pandemic go away without vaccination. On top of that, Mr. Holness said nearly 190,000 doses of the AstraZeneca vaccine are going to expire this weekend. And him a beg the people them in the country for come take them joke. Him say him know one fourth wave of the virus soon come out and the only way to be safe are through vaccination. Can you hear what the director for the Island Traffic Authority, ITA, I want the people them who drive for stop put the license plate on them car when they go out in Jamaica. Him say them see one trend where people are put different license plate on them car when they come from out here and they must take them off cause this not go work. Him say if the driver them not take off the plate them, the traffic police are going to charge them and take them off. On top of that, Mr. Here say him see where people who are driving night time have on some color light and this go against the Road Traffic Act and people are going to get charged for do this. Linvern Wright, or the president for the Jamaica Association of Principals for the secondary school them, so all of the public school them must come back next month with the picnic them are coming on a certain day. Mr. Wright said him not like so some picnic still after the school pan line. Tuesday gone, Prime Minister Andrew Holness a certain school get the go-ahead from the Ministry for Education for can open back on November 8th. Some of them are infant and basic school, some primary school, and students who in a grade 11 to 13 who are the CXC and Cape were at least 65% of the picnic them take the vaccine. Mr. Wright said although I'm glad some picnic go back to school, him a worry said the public school them not get the same treatment like the private school them, like a prep school, where picnic can go face to face same way. And him say him know the public school principal them can manage a picnic them and follow the health things them same way like at the private school them. 39 members of the Pathway International Kingdom Restoration Ministries who get charged last week under the Disaster Risk Management Act, DRMA, get fined 30,000 each when them go before the St. James Parish Court yesterday. All of them tell the court to them guilty and each of them did have to pay 30,000 or spend 20 days in a prison. One other church member, Andre Ruddock, who was 31 years old, get charged for kill Smaddy and plan up for kill Smaddy. One teenager, amongst 4 people, police lock up after them find 2 guns where them have no license for 2 different times in Hanover. In the first incident, the police said them bend upon patrol upon Prosper Road in a Lucy when them say 2 men on one bike. Them said the man who did upon the bike back point one gun after them. Them start drive down the bike and it crash in one wall. The 2 men run left one 9mm pistol with having 8 bullets. The police said them lock up one of the man after that. In the second incident, 3 people, one of them a one teenager, get locked up in a one before morning operation in a Sandy Bay, Montipello on Sunday. The police said them found one gun and 4 bullets in a one bag where 3 people did in the house. Now for sports. The Jamaican government get the Inter-Secondary School Sports Association, ISA, the go-ahead for schoolboy football start play back. ISA said the government did turn them down last year, but them happy say them get the blight this year. Schoolboy football are going to start back on November 13 when Manning Cup and the Costa Cup match are going to play. People, remember the curfew are from 8 p.m. in the night to 5 in the morning. Me name Kadeen Marshall and that are the news rundown in a Jamaican.
Broadcast Jamaican just give the news in the Jamaican language.